to our Kids Mondo private education presentation. This is where learning meets wonder. Our mission at Kids Mondo Learning Center is to provide a safe, inclusive, and nurturing learning environment where every child is recognized as capable, competent, and full of potential. Here, amongst many things, we believe that learning is most meaningful when it is driven by curiosity, inquiry, and authentic experiences. At Kids Mondo, we aim to promote practices that support lifelong wellness by helping children develop self-awareness, healthy habits. We emphasize nutritious foods, physical activity, rest, and self-care. What makes us special? Kids Mondo maintains intentionally small class sizes to ensure every child receives individualized support tailored to their unique learning style, pace, and interests. With fewer students per educator, teachers can provide immediate feedback, adapt instruction in real time, and build meaningful relationships that foster confidence and academic growth. This personalized approach allows educators to identify and address learning gaps quickly while celebrating each child's strength and progress. And highlights how Kids Mondo's approach creates a more personalized, responsive educational experience that prioritizes individual student growth and family partnership. On an important note, this isn't simply playtime outside. Lessons are planned and linked directly to the curriculum just as they are in the classroom. You see, children often understand concepts more deeply when they experience them firsthand rather than only reading about them. Important to us is that students not only learn about the environment, but also how they can care for it in practical, meaningful ways. We believe that outdoor learning can complement classroom learning while providing memorable experiences. Our curriculum approach reflects current research on effective early childhood and elementary education. Balanced literacy and numeracy instruction means we teach foundational skills systematically: phonics, decoding, number sense, and computational fluency, while also fostering comprehension, mathematical reasoning, and a love of reading and problem solving. Hands-on, project-based learning engages students in authentic investigations where they apply skills in meaningful contexts. Commitment to comprehensive education extends well beyond the regular school day throughout multiple enrichment opportunities. After-school programs and clubs offer students chances to build and explore interests like robotics, art, drama, sports, and coding in small group settings that build skills and friendships. These programs run until 5:30 p.m. to support working families while providing meaningful learning experiences. Field trips and community partnerships connect classroom learning to the real world. Child safety and well-being are our absolute top priorities, and we have established comprehensive systems to protect and support every student. Our website for more information, call or email to book a private tour, or visit us anytime. Thank you for your interest in our center. We are excited to welcome you to our Kids Mondo family. See you soon.